During the live report of DZRH radio reporter Val Gonzalez on East Avenue, Quezon City early this morning of June 10, a commotion happened when he was delivering report. He was lost on a frame for a few seconds, then returned to deliver his report. According to Gonzalez, he was allegedly assaulted by members of Transport Group Manibela who are protesting at that time.
Sinuntok ako dito. May sumusuntok dito. May sumusuntok dito. May sumusuntok sa akin dito.
Ha?
Meron kang akunis.
Sinusuntok ka?
Mabuti na lamang at kinuha ako ng ating driver. At huli ngayon, doon sa harapan, itong grupo mismo ni Marco Albena. Bago yun, ay nag-usap-usap sila bago ako mag-report. Kaya kitang-kita ko na sila. Doon ako'y nakatalikod na sa kanilang nakarap sa kanila. Doon nila ako sinugod.
His companion grabbed him away from the middle of protesters.
Hindi ko na siya. Talagang na siya. Kahit ako sinusuntok ko na tagil.
The Manila Broadcasting Company, DZRH, strongly condemns the incident. In an official statement released from their station manager and Vice President for Legal, Attorney Rudolph Steve Jularbal, they said that the company is determined to take legal action on the matter. However, the Transport Group Manibela refuted the hitting incident, citing that Gonzalez was the first to provoke their members while cursing them.
Sana maging patas tayo sa pagbabalita. Yung emosyon mo, itago mo dahil nasa pamamahayag ka. Kung gusto mo na yung sarili mong opinyon ng ilabas mo, mag-commute ka na lang, wag ka nang magbalita.
The Manibela staged another transport strike to raise their objection to the looming apprehension of unconsolidated jeepneys starting tomorrow, June 11.
Labag sa konstitusyon itong gagawin nilang panghuhuli dahil wala pang penalty o yung ating mga prangkisa hindi pa naman napoproseso kung kailangan na bang bawiin, i-revoke dahil po wala pa naman napapadalan sa atin ng show cause order.
Mar Valbuena added that they conform to the proposal to grant unconsolidated jeepneys a provisional authority for another year, emphasizing that they will use this period for the approval of rehabilitated jeepney to be an option for fleet modernization.
Yung isang taon na provisional na ibibigay po sa atin, malaking bagay na ito upang mapatunayan natin na tayo po ay pabor sa modernisasyon.
UNTV News attempted to reach out to the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB for their response regarding the recent protest. However, the LTFRB has not provided any statement at this time. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.